another vizier, another tomb of another vizier for the same king.
Vizier with a B or V?
Vizier with Z. This is a false door of a tomb
For the offerings to come in and out.
Yeah. For the spirit.
Spirit to come in and out.
Yeah.
With the offerings.
Watch your step.
This area, they are still working on the excavations. These were all tombs. All these were tombs.
Wow. Yeah. They're all underground.
Yeah. Under and above ground. Look.
Mastaba is only for the common people, not for the king.
Yeah. These were shafts leading to tombs. The structure of the tomb. Here, this is the circumcision.
Oh, cutting off the wieners. Okay, let's take a picture of that. That's funny.
That's the circumcision.
Okay.
And here, the lady giving birth.
Oh, yeah.
This is, giving birth here.
That's crazy.
That's lady giving birth. Carrying again the different kind of offerings. And again here you're going to see the rest of again the offerings. You see the type of the carvings and again the slaughtering scene in here. Look, this is the slaughtering scene.
Why are they got slaughtering? Why would they want to slaughter in afterlife?
Because they're gonna, whatever they have during their lifetime, they should have it in their afterlife. That's the how the rooms was.
Okay.
These were all rooms, and it was all carved, all carved. And inside there was again a false door, but it doesn't exist anymore.
Did they carve directly onto it, or did they carve it and put it up?
No. Show you the movement. How many men are trying to stop him?
A lot.
One from the leg, and one from the other leg, and one from the tail, and one from the horn, one from the other horn. You can, if you look at this, you're going to see from a distance, it is a movement. It's a beautiful scene.
Wow.
Watch it from a distance. You're going to
let
see
me
how
stand over
beautiful
here.
it is. It's really beautiful.
It's like a dance.
No,
It's a video of capturing the Alps.
and yeah, but it's really, look, he stretched his leg, how he stretched while he was, because
What's this one?
this is another tomb of another man from the royal court, a high priest. But here we are coming to see a beautiful false door, a unique false door coming. Of course, I'm not going to repeat the same kind of offerings, but look at this beautiful false door.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a false door.
Ooh.
Yeah, since one a unique false door. He was again the high priest during the time of the same king that you've seen his pyramid outside, King Teti. That's why you can see the king's name. It's in the cartouche, and then the man's name outside.
Oh.
Okay.
And you're reading it from right to left.
That's always the way. No, it's where the bird is looking.
Yeah.
This
You
is
start where the
number,
birds look.
this is the papyrus that will symbolize the number 1,000. So here we were telling he might be given 1,000 of cattle, 1,000 of bird, 1,000 of
Ox.
animals or
Looks
ox,
like a unicorn.
1,000 of roads, 1,000 of solid offerings, 1,000 of liquid offerings, 1,000 of bread, and 1,000 of health. So he might be given thousands and thousands of health and wealth during his lifetime. Here is the slaughtering scene, it's clear. After they cut the throat, here is the part of the leg. They hold it so they can present it as an offering to the owner of the tomb.
No, why is there a cartoon?
Of the birds, full of birds, can you see it?
Yeah.
Go backwards.
Geese.
And
Look
look.
at
This
geese.
is all the birds, you see.